Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can upload high-quality videos to X app or Twitter. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel, write comments at the end of the video, and also be sure to put your likes. And let's get into this interesting topic. And first of all, please open up app XPod. After that, in the top left corner, click on your profile picture. Then click on Settings and Help. Then Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a little bit here, and you'll need to select this section here, this option. Now select Data Usage. And next, the very first thing you'll need to do is deactivate the first feature. If you have it active, you won't be able to enable high-quality video on Twitter. So first deactivate it by clicking on this button. Next, go to the high-quality video option. Click on that. And here you'll need to choose whether you want the video to load only over Wi-Fi or both mobile data and Wi-Fi. Choose whichever option you prefer. And go back out. Friends, this is the simple way you will be able to upload high-quality videos on X app or Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.